The bulk of the work that serves as the foundation of this was conducted over a 7-month period of time that I was able to go back to Rutgers and serve a sabbatical. I started in January, I ended in July. My life at the time consisted mostly of being in my office, which was in a library, which was one of the most, inspiring places to be, and friendly, useful as well, because the librarian would make me coffee, and if a new meth book came out or anything new, it would be on my desk when I would show up to work. So I really didn't have to go out and search for anything new. It would be there. And then the stuff that I did need would be right out the door. I could go grab an article. I wouldn't have to print it or ILL it. It would just be there. And it was unexpectedly, surprisingly, and wonderfully one of the most intellectually stimulating experiences of my life. It was also one of the darkest experiences of my life because I had to immerse myself in the lives of the data that I was reading and get as close to it intellectually and mentally as I could to understand it as thoroughly and comprehensively as I needed to be able to tell this very complex and intricate story the way that it needed to be told.